Hi guys, it's Tony doing another description. Thanks for coming along. Today we're looking at hygiene gel. Alright, this is the no rinse formula. Now I bought this from Home Bargains, but I think you can get it in more stores than that. Alright, so once we've got rid of that, now this is good value actually. Buying a larger one is actually cheaper than the little smaller ones, and it's just great for around the house, kills 99%. Let's get it done. Right, there we go, pops up. A few pumps. Yep, sometimes it takes a while to get out. Come on, yeah, there we go. So it's a clear liquid, just smells nice and clean and fresh. Let's see how absorbent it is. It's good to have this around, you know, when you're handling anything. It just keeps, it keeps all the germs, E. coli, flu viruses. Always when you're cleaning your hands, make sure you get right into the palms there, guys. You know, really get that into all the crevices, because this is where germs lie. Get it in there, make a fist action, really work in that gel. You can see how clear that's gone in. That feel clean and fresh. So I thought I'll show you that, guys. Hygienic gel. I'm trying to think who makes it. It doesn't really tell you actually. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later.